English. This award has been with us since DataLink started 9 years ago. Although it has been long before he was directly hired, his commitment and support to the company solid. And his skill achieves effective solutions in the projects he is assigned to. We present this long service award to Mr. Tagno, Alberto Tagno Jr. Loyalty Award, Long Service Award.
Ito na rin yung one thing for participating sa kanina.
5 years, still Timex watch. Great work performance is easily managed and flexible to work is impressive. Parang ano?
Ability to work is impressive.
Pag tinagal ko ito, hindi ko ito eh. Alright, he is Jeremy David.
Naman kasi talaga, and can deliver the client's requirement. His co-worker find him positive and optimist. So this long service award is presented to Ruel B. Fuso.
Makes good judgment in making decisions for the situation he is present to. He is good leader and team player. His leadership contributes a lot to the successful completion of this project. Mr. Joel Teodoro, the man, the Mr. T.
Employee award. So the outstanding employee award, you will receive cash and certificate.
All your receipts are for the outstanding employee award. Okay, he is so. Basically, male. This employee had shown the most improvement over the years. He quickly learned the product and services needed to serve for our client. He is dependable. He usually completes work on schedule. His communication skills is also his ace. He openly discussed any challenges he is facing to resolve the issue. Nabalapit mo tawag sa akin din. We would like to present this Outstanding Employee Award 2023 to Mr. Edmar Sagada. yan.
Employee awardee. So this employee has been consistently performing her task excellently and proactively. Actually, kumbaga Hall of Famer na to kasi bumilang nagpandemic Hall of Famer na to.
Maning-mani na.
So she delivers every assigned task accurately with minimum supervision. The overwhelming work doesn't bother her, and you cannot hear complaint from her. Not that I'm aware of. So her concern to the company is also remarkable. This person always gets unanimous vote because of her unquestionable performance. Congratulations on receiving Outstanding Employee Award 2023, Ms. Jessica May Escalante.
Matik na, May. Parang every year, siguro dapat January pa lang.
Hindi natin next year ikakasal pa rin.
Okay, our last is remarkable work during his deployment to the site, etc. He easily follows instructions and can complete all tasks assigned to him without direct supervision. He proactively works with his assigned project and can professionally communicate to all project stakeholders. To say, we would like to present to you the outstanding... Kasi nahirapan ako, hindi na kasi ba akong English. Alright, to Mr. Jeremel Tabo. The lucky man.
Grabe siya. Naka-9,600 sa kanina. Meron pa siyang task ngayon. Sunshine, pero nandun pa din tayo. So, yung nga sabi ko sa Rep, sana hanggang pag-retire na, not too soon, matagal pa, sana magkakasama pa rin tayo. And meron yung mga Rep, meron mga issues, sana ma-resolve natin ng sama-sama sa 2024 and mas maging strong si Data Link sa mga darating pang years. Amen! So,
good evening, everyone! Diba? Kasama namin kayo doon. Tama ba yun?
Yes, sir.
You are all with us. And from what we have, so for 2024, keep that hope high, the faith high, and most especially, yung pagsasama-sama natin. Importante yun. Alright? So for the board of Data Link Solutions Technologies Consultancy Inc., maraming salamat sa inyo. To our friends, nandito na si Joe at Jack. Sabi ko kanina, we'll expect better days ahead and new and at mga MCs. Salamat sa inyo lahat. Ana, ganda ng mata mo.
Kasama yan, sir, dun sa Preneur Chase. Nabawi ko naman. Bawing-bawi! Okay. Ayun, i-acknowledge din natin yung venue. Thank you so much, bossing, na pinagamit mo yung venue kahit nakukulit kami. Thank you so much!